What's up, YouTube? So today, back to me again. It's Ben, and I got two new unboxings for you guys. I'll do it completely different videos for you guys. So this is one of my first unboxing. So it is a pair of Nike Jordan 1 low Travis Scott in a dark mocha OG colorway, and I'm a size 10. I bought this pair from Goat. It's a brown box with a red Nike logo. Here's the Goat authenticator card, assurance of authenticity, and there's a QR code. And there's Travis Scott pink papers, tissue paper inside. Box away. So here they are, guys. This is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott in dark mocha colorway, the OG versions. I honestly love this colorway because I love the mocha colorway from Travis with the backward Nike swoosh, and also the swoosh is in white on the outside and dark mocha from the inside, which pops the shoes a lot. And it comes with wax laces in black. Then they have different extra laces, red, pink, and another black laces, but not in wax. I'll probably switch to the pink color because it's gonna pop the shoes. Here's the outsole. On the back, there's a Travis Scott logo and Cactus Jack logo inside. And the shoes is made up from suede, so the upper is all suede except for Nike swoosh. And then this is the other pair with the Air Jordan logo in red on the back heel. Same backward Nike swoosh, off-white midsole, and also dark mocha outsole. Here's the insole. You got the Travis Scott like branding inside, and also one's in Cactus Jack logo with the Jordan Jumpman logo in the insole. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much it for my unboxing. Don't forget to like my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And also, yeah, Merry Christmas, guys. And also, wish you guys a Happy New Year. Peace.